I love chicken salad. I love it for a few reasons. One, it's super low carb. Two, you can eat it a ton of different ways. And three, it makes you feel like it's a little naughty and something special. Now, it takes a little bit of effort, but I would say in about 10 minutes, you can mix up an amazing chicken salad. So I'm gonna show you my recipe today and my 3 favorite ways to eat it. First thing you have to do in advance is bake some chicken. About 4 just plain chicken breasts. You can put a little salt and pepper, but otherwise you don't need anything. 350, about 50 minutes. Once they're cooked, let it cool and cut it up into little pieces. Then I add about 1/3 to 1/2 cup of onion, chopped up onion, 1/3 to 1/2 cup of chopped up celery, about 1/4 cup of some nuts for crunch, like some chopped walnuts or pecans, and about 1/3 cup to 1/4 cup, a smaller amount of raisins for a little sweetness. Then I love curry. You can leave this out if you don't need it. I put about 1 teaspoon to 2 teaspoons, depending on how much you like, of curry powder, and then mayonnaise. Surprisingly low carb. I do a light, low fat mayonnaise, and just to taste. So I end up doing about 1/3 to 1/2 cup, but if that's too creamy for you, use less. So you mix all that up and it produces a wonderfully delicious curry chicken salad. I mean, like, anyways, I love it. So my favorite 3 ways to eat it are to put it in a lettuce boat. You need a super quick low carb snack, but you're hungry. Lay it in a boat of romaine lettuce. 2, you're packing your lunch. You want something yummy. I get a low carb wrap from the grocery store. I lay 1 slice of cheese, some of my chicken salad, a leaf of lettuce, roll it up, wrap it up in aluminum foil, and I've got an amazing wrap. And last for dinner, a couple big scoops on top of my delicious green salad, little drizzle of olive oil and vinegar, and it's amazing. So I hope that's helpful. Enjoy it. Eat chicken salad.